Sometimes you may have created an Instagram AI chat, and sometimes in your Instagram AI chat, you won't have the ability to create images. But if you wanted to generate AI images in your Instagram AI chat, you can enable one setting, and after that, you'll get this image creation feature. In this video, we'll tell you how to enable this setting. For this, open the Instagram app. After that, down here you can see the message button. Click on that message button. When you click it, up above you can see a button like this. Click on that button. And here you can see AI chats. Click on that button, and you'll reach your AI studio. Under that, you can see your AI, and under that you can see every AI chat that you've created. For example, I'm selecting this AI chat, and here you can see the settings option. Click on settings, and when you do, you can see the advanced settings option. Click on advanced settings, and when you scroll down, you can see capabilities. Under that, you can see dynamic image generation. If it's turned off, what you need to do is turn this on. After that, above you can see the Done button. Click on this Done button, and here you can see the Publish option. Click on Publish. When you click it, that setting will be saved. After that, in your Instagram AI chat, you'll get the image generation feature too. So, this way you can easily enable the AI image generation feature in your Instagram chat. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.